also doesn't digest well in our body. Soaking process is very important. Like if you want to cook dal, let it soak overnight. Discard the water in the morning. Fresh water dal ki you cook it. You see the difference. Now what is happening? Oh, you decide in the morning to cook it. 2 hours soaking. Cooking it in pressure cooker. So it's very quick. This is dal, chawal, and this is called palida. So it's supposed to be had like how you'll have sambar rice. Sambar is separate, no? So we keep it like that.